Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Mackerel. It's time for episodes 204 and 205 of the Clone Wars. I'm enjoying this. I'm glad it's back. Well, I'm back. It never left. Let's get to it.
Padme Amidala.
Master Annie, what a delight to see you. I shall tell Mistress...
Anakin!
It's rude.
That will be all.
Music is a bit much. We got it. They're in love.
I am not sure how we can change her mind.
That is why we ask you to summon young Skywalker.
I have been signaling him all night. I don't know where he could be.
He's busy. Cheeks. Even B.
They served on the same committees. They were good friends.
Oh, shit.
Know that.
Personal matters for the senator, these are. Know them, why would you?
I already told Master Yoda. I don't want to spy on a colleague and an old friend.
Old friend? How well do you know Clovis?
Why does that matter?
If Clovis is involved in a separatist conspiracy, the last place you should be is anywhere near him.
Clovis is conspiring with the Separatists? Yoda didn't tell me that. I can't believe Clovis would do that. This is terrible. I never expected that from him. Someone has to find out the truth.
Someone
Ta-da.
does. Just not you.
Accidentally reverse psychology her into
Why
it.
not me before? It never seemed to bother you. I never stopped you from facing danger. You're constantly getting shot at.
I've been
I'm a
trained for
Jedi.
that.
Yeah.
I just changed my mind. You've convinced me that it's vital to learn what Clovis is doing. I accept the mission to spy on him.
Even though I'm telling you not to.
Don't take it personally, Anakin. Duty comes first. Especially in wartime.
Without the pettiness, she's 100%
First,
correct.
I'll need to...
The closer you can get to him, the better.
I understand. I'll do whatever is necessary to succeed in my mission.
And I'll do whatever I have to protect her.
This is fun. I'm having way too much fun with this. I don't know why.
In that case, I'll be happy to go with you. It'll be like old times.
Just like that.
On the contrary, I hope it'll be much better than old times.
His voice sounds familiar. He's definitely a bad guy.
If you get tired, you can rest your head on my shoulder.
Yo, he's so creepy.
This
He should be,
one's broken. Too bad.
he should be way smoother than he is. It's not Iron Man.
We're ready for takeoff, Captain.
I don't expect Skywalker to be smooth at all.
My servants will see you to your room. Clovis and I have some business to discuss.
Could you sound more evil, sir?
You should never have brought a member of the Senate here.
3PO?
Dick was thinking for him.
You signed your holdings over to the banking clan in return for a stake in this new droid foundry.
Jesus, they suck.
We have company. The hologram.
Padme, what are you doing here?
Oh, I'm sorry to intrude. I was lonely, so...
Jesus, they suck.
Now that we've finally found his weakness, what if we were to poison
Jesus.
Senator Amidala?
Damn.
I think Clovis would do anything to save her, and only we would have the antidote.
They went right to the top shelf. I'm not mad at it.
A toast to our new friendship.
What
She's a
wonderful
soldier.
day.
Give her that.
Unless you like a tour of the palace, it's truly worth seeing.
A tour sounds perfect.
You're dismissed for the night.
Absolutely.
Oh, you poor thing. It's the climate change. I'll be right back.
Really? Are you fine? Wow. I bought it.
Display hologram.
Passcode required.
You guys got some fucking...
Scipio. Banking clan. Senator Clovis. Baron Rush Clovis. Rush. Padme?
There's no limit on these passcode attempts.
His new droid foundry.
He actually likes her. More than he should, quite frankly.
Clan are behind.
Still dying of thirst.
So are you, sir.
Give me your hand.
You're so good to me, Clovis. I don't deserve your kindness.
It's nice to hear you say that.
Really?
I've been waiting for this moment all night.
Woohoo! Go ahead.
Because of you.
I wasn't sure you still had feelings for me, but now...
You should leave. Let's see. Get out.
Passcode Padme.
No hologram is available.
She did steal it. Leave us.
Your scheme is finished.
Get away from her.
If you want to live.
Jesus.
She's stolen a very valuable disc from me. Return it, and I'll get the antidote from Lot Dot.
I prefer to negotiate with Lot Dot in person.
No! He cannot be told...
What? That you lost the disc? I'm sure he'd be very interested in hearing all about this.
He might kill me if he finds out.
That's a shame.
Come with me, quickly!
Clovis is a decent guy. Can't go much higher than that.
Must make hay. I'm sorry, Lot. Senator
Oh, this is,
Amidala very ill, and we're taking her to her ship.
I've seen this movie.
If Senator Amidala is ill, she should not be...
Cary Grant? Into that movie?
Name's
Name's that goddamn movie.
On the... Give me the antidote, or you're dead.
You pay for this. Give Clovis the antidote.
That was easy. Got no struggle at all. Suck.
Your kindness is much appreciated, Senator. Take her, quickly. Wait!
Notorious.
Got away and we have the hologram. The Jedi will use that information to destroy Count Dooku's foundry. Your mission was a success.
It was. Good job.
I made you doubt me.
Never.
Clovis, we need to talk.
That's great. That's great. Like, I think it's fine as a climax in and of itself, but it's great as an homage. If you know what you're watching exactly. That was so much fun. Once I realized what the fuck was going on.
It is unfortunate. The resistance from the native Geonosians was stronger than we anticipated.
Hey, Ahsoka.
Same can be said for their
I miss
loyalty
you.
to
No, no,
Count Dooku.
That won't be easy to get past.
Don't worry, we're not going anywhere near that.
Come now. What happened to all the enthusiasm I saw earlier?
Don't worry about us. You just make sure you get yourself to that landing zone in one piece.
Yes. I shall be waiting for you when you finally arrive.
Gentlemen, if you are quite finished, we have a banquet.
Oh, we want
Quite right.
hilarious. Damn. It's graphic.
Good luck, General.
There is no such thing as luck.
I don't know who that general is, but I like his ship. And you know I like the colonel.
Good thing those bugs can't aim.
What?
I just lost contact with Skywalker's team.
Come on, get up! We have to keep moving!
Here they come! Watch it! Watch it!
They're falling back! Come on!
This is awesome.
Get the tanks on the ground, now!
He didn't just die.
Cody, get the tanks down! Come in, Cody!
Oh, that fire is for right to his
Cody,
face.
come in! Get the tanks down! The zone is hot!
But there's nowhere else to go!
This is awesome.
We gotta rush the guns.
Yes, sir.
So, you're with me. We need to give Rex cover when we attack.
Got it. Just give the word.
Hey, I'm worried about him too. But you have to keep your...
Oh, this isn't the fun part. Getting back to the square is the fun part.
Hey!
Waxer, Boyle, I'm glad to see
We
you.
were alive, but
Trapper and I are the only ones
Happy to see
still
you.
alive.
Good to see you, sir. Commander Cody's established the square just beyond this position. The bugs are on the move and trying to surround us.
dead body right next to him.
Are you injured, General?
No, nothing too serious. What's the situation
Yeah, he's
here?
fine. Look at him.
Have you located General Skywalker's position?
We think he's somewhere along the eastern barrier.
That's not a barrier. It's a fortress.
Jesus. The Colonel always sounds so unbothered. Unless he's annoyed by Skywalker.
I did! Remember when I reminded you about the giant wall and you said, don't worry, Smith. We won't be anywhere near that.
Just get ready to climb.
General, I left a squad to protect the tanks. Are you sure this is the shortest way to the landing zone?
No, I'm not sure, Commander. All I can do is trust my instincts.
So, just want to be clear. There's no such thing as luck. He does believe in instincts. I too believe in instincts. I also believe in luck.
Don't stop! We must push on! Forward!
So what's the plan, General?
This turned into a horror movie down there.
Focus on the droids on the top of the wall!
The sound design is great. This episode came out of nowhere. We were just chilling. That notorious homage. Spy stuff. Character stuff. Jealousy stuff. All of a sudden, we're in the middle of a horrifying war.
Look for a hatch. We need to put the explosives inside the wall.
Found one!
Oh, Jesus. Double Jesus.
Hey, did you get them?
Catch.
Huh?
Come on, Rex.
Next time, just tell me to jump.
Now where's...
They're almost through. Bring in the flamethrowers.
It does not look good.
Can you get me Admiral Yularen?
Keep going to Colonel. He's an admiral.
Consider it done, Master.
All units are
fire.
in positions.
Halo. This is great. Let's set them before. One shot.
My total, 65. So what do I win?
That was cute.
My everlasting respect, Master Mundy.
Oh.
That is a gift Anakin rarely bestows, I assure you.
Alright, that was episode 204 and 205 of Star Wars The Clone Wars. We already talked about 204. Not much more to say about it outside of the fact that it was significantly differently paced than 205 was. 205 was just a all-out battle, a fight, murder, monsters. I was getting snatched up, shit blowing up, explosions, dead bodies right next to Kenobi. That was wild. I'm not complaining. It was wild. I really liked the way that was done. And some of the music choices, I'm not going to say it fell out of place. They felt like they put a little more effort into some of the choices here in particular. It felt like a movie. And I mean that in the... Actually, you know what? I mean in both senses. Like an action movie. A cinematic film. And, people say, oh, that party was a movie. It felt like that. Like this is an event. I really liked that episode. I mean, 204 was fine, too. In a different way. Because I love Notorious. But this was fun for what I'm looking for. I'm looking for Darth Vader. Not yet, but close enough. Kenobi and Ahsoka to be doing awesome shit. And we got 2 and 3. So I will take it. I don't remember the other Jedi Master's name. Or General. I'm not sure he's a master. But he was great too. Apparently he got 65. We'll call it a win. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.